Hello, hello. I am Ransom Ryder. I'm hanging out in the kitchen. It's late afternoon. I need a little snack before dinner. I am going to make for you a tomato sandwich. This is kind of a deep south treat, a tomato sandwich. I have here some white bread, some Duke's mayonnaise, which I'm not sponsored, but I grew up using Duke's mayonnaise. I love Duke's mayonnaise. Let's go ahead and get some of this on the white bread. Now, I do enjoy extra mayo, and this is a potato bread. It's moist, soft, delicious. I love a good potato bread. But mayonnaise, Duke's mayonnaise, I grew up using it. I love it. I still, search it down. It's my go-to mayonnaise. I like to mayonnaise both sides of my bread. Let's set that aside. And then I want to come in and slice. I've pre-sliced some of these Heirloom style tomatoes. They are my favorite. I like to take the top off, throw it in the floor, and then let's slice some of these. And I'm all about stacking the tomato. Let's stack the tomato. Meaning you want some good slices, or you want them to be thick and absolutely tasty, juicy. A tomato sandwich should never be dry. Move over, tomato, move over. And then I'm going to do a little half slice because I want this over on the edge. And then because you need to come over and hang out with me, cooking and eating in the kitchen, it's a Southern tradition when you hang out with friends. I've got enough tomatoes here to make sure that you're gonna have a sandwich. You're gonna have a sandwich. Let's go in and grab a little bit of salt. I'm gonna salt these tomatoes. Salt just brings that wonderful flavor out. A little bit of pepper. Just a pinch here and there, a little bit of pepper. And then I want to cover this up with my second piece. Pull this to the center. Bring my knife back. This is a serrated edge. It's a bread knife, but I love it for slicing tomatoes. Let's hold it together. Oh my gosh. Let's take a look at this. A Southern style tomato sandwich, salt, pepper, Heirloom style tomato, extra Duke's mayo. I'm gonna dig in. This is so good. Do not hesitate to make a delicious tomato sandwich. Make sure you start with a good tomato, fresh white bread, and a quality mayonnaise. I'm Ransom Ryder. This has always been a treat that I loved. I hope you love it. Let me know how you eat your tomato sandwich. Leave me a comment. As we said back home, maters. Let's get a mater out of the garden and slice it up to make a sandwich. I look forward to hearing from you very soon. Bye. Bye. I'm going to eat this. It's delicious. Mmm. Mmm.